What's going on, guys? SOB here, and we are working on the Durango today. And today I have finally got my steering wheel. So if you remember, I was doing the steering wheel removal, and yeah, the steering wheel that I was going to put in, it was not the right one, so I had to order me a new one. I ordered me a new one, another one off of eBay, and here it is. I finally got it, and got it for basically a steal. And yeah, we're gonna be putting it in. But the first thing we got to do here is we got all these wires, all these connectors and all that will have to be unplugged. This is gonna have to be unplugged, and yeah, so basically we got to unplug all this stuff so we can hook it up, this stuff to it. So we're gonna be going to work, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the steering wheel in the Durango. Look at this. So obviously it's a different color slightly, but at this point, I don't care, because this truck has not ran in over 6 months, and I'm ready to drive this thing. So, here you go. I got everything here hooked up. It comes with a key, as you can see. It comes with a key. And look at that. The ignition is not broken. And the steering, I got all this wired up. Everything is wired. Ready to rock and roll. The only thing I gotta do now is put back the cover. Here's the old wires, the harness that came off of the steering wheel. So we're gonna finish getting all the little plastics and stuff back up on the steering wheel. Alright guys, here we go. We got the steering wheel in the truck. As you can see, it don't look bad. Everything's switched, everything works. And look at this. The gear actually works. On the one that they broke, you could just throw it right in the gear. And yeah, they didn't know that though. But you could just throw it right in the gear without the key. So this one, it's fixed. So I don't even have to get it fixed. And the steering wheel is so much better. It's so clean. Look at this thing. Look at how clean this thing is. Wow, this wheel is so clean. It has one downside, it doesn't have the radio controls, but honestly, who cares? This is one project done. Now all we gotta do now is get the motor out, throw the other motor in, and be ready to roll. So let me finish cleaning this up, because I got a lot of junk, and as you can see here, a lot of broken parts from the wheel and stuff. So let me get this cleaned up.